Hookahpro.com, your ultimate source for everything hookah. Find the latest tips and tricks, videos, reviews, contests, and more.
What's up, Hookahpro? I was searching the forum the other day, and I saw a thread about the best way to light coals, and I mentioned that the way that I like to do it when I was at school was in a microwave, and some of you want to see a video of that. So this is going to be that video. My parents are sleeping downstairs or upstairs, so I won't be able to talk up there, so I just thought I would tell you what my rig is and everything right now. I'm going to be on a KM tri-metal with a Vortex bowl, AF grape. 3 Coconara coals, and a single layer of HD foil. I wanted to mention a few things. You want to make sure your plate that you use is microwave safe, obviously, but the thinner the plate, the more prone it is to break after you use it a few times. I broke a few cheap plates, which work great from Walmart. You just got to be careful and keep an eye on everything. Every microwave is going to be different. I don't know if your time is going to be right, and you want to make sure you use a high quality coal like Coconara, because if there's any air bubbles or anything inside the coals, when the microwave hits it, they could break in half, which hasn't happened to me. So, I will cut to a shot of me lighting the coals, and then a shot of me once the bowl is warmed up, and show you how it works. Thanks. So as you guys saw, the plate just broke. This hasn't happened to me on the first try ever, so just take this as an outlier. The plates I normally use are I don't know if they're called Chinette or Corel from Walmart. They're about $2, and I usually got around 20 rounds of coals on them before I had to get a new one, and they're like $2. So it's a great deal. It saved me a lot of time, and it goes real quick. But yeah, take it as an outlier. I'll show you a few clouds. The coals lit up perfectly. The microwave's just fine. So I guess the plate just couldn't handle the awesomeness of Coconaras in the microwave. So I'm going to show you me smoking, show you a few clouds, and I hope you take this as proof that this works. So thank you.